How to create an account on Google Drive. To create a Google Drive account, you first need a Google account, which is free to set up. So you need to actually do is open up Play Store. You could install Google Drive if not, or if you've not installed it. So type in Drive and install Google Drive. Once you've installed Google Drive, click on the open button. In my case, I already have I already have an account. So I'm just gonna click on the profile initials, click on add another account. When you do this, it's gonna ask you to verify. So now you will be taken to the next field where you'll be prompted to create a Google account. So if you already have a Google account, you could go ahead and log in. And if you don't have a Google account, then you want to click on create one. Select what is it for, whether it's for a personal use or for business use. Select the category, give in a first and a last name. Tap the next button. Select a date of birth and your gender as well, and tap the next button. After which, create a username that is like email or creating an email address. So I'm going to type in this and click on the next button. After which, it's going to ask you to create a password. So make sure to go ahead and create a strong and a unique password. Then you should be receiving some sort of verification or a confirmation. And once you enter in the following information or the confirmation, you'll have successfully created your Google account. And with that being said, you've also, along with that, created your Google Drive account. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select the account and log into your Google Drive, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.